Hey, Gear Gremlin, how you doing?
Okay.
Only okay? You sound very subdued today. What are we looking at? We're looking at little mini kits, and then we're going to do a tour. In our other video, we're going to do a tour of your EDC package, okay? Does that work? All right. So, let's talk about these guys first. Which one's yours?
This one's mine.
This is the Beta Quick Release Magnetic. And the knife is a, what is this?
It's a Spyderco, and it has glow-in-the-dark scandal heels.
Scandal hails? Handle?
Scale.
So, this is Ethan's little kit, and it includes a little tiny Spyderco ladybug and a quick release. This is about as small as you can get and have it still be functional, and it's all stuff that's super duper hardy and simple to use. The next one is a kit that I made for when I'm going to a place that has a very strict no knife policy. So like, for example, if I'm going to the Red Sox stadium, I want to carry a light with me, but I also want something to be able to open a beer or to like fix something small or to pry something. So this has gone with me a couple times. It always passes inspection. I am not making any guarantees that your similar kit will pass inspection. I'm just saying the times that I have gone, it has gone through there. The next kit that I use is something that I regularly take with me on bike trips. I usually have just a pair of shorts and nothing else, and so I need something tiny. This is something that I got for Father's Day, the year my oldest son was born. This is the Leatherman Squirt PS4. Obviously, this has a knife blade, so it will not pass through any place that prohibits knives. But in terms of a small, full functional kit, this gives you a lot of utility in a very small package. So this is the Rovivon A2. It is a high intensity little tiny pocket light. It comes with a charging port. This light also has a charging port, and it will give you a very small package with lots and lots of illumination. I will note this is pretty dense. This is a lot of metal in a very, very compact space. But if you need to be able to work on a bunch of different things and you need a set of pliers, this is about as small as it gets, and you can still have a set of pliers. Gear Gremlin is looking at other stuff. He is cutting foam. What are you cutting the foam with? Oh, little tiny. This is my kit that I take with me if it is really hot out and I have like slinky shorts on or whatever you call them, and I don't want to carry a ton of weight. This is the Spyderco Jester in 20 CV, and this is the Sofren SC01, which is currently my favorite of the micro lights. It has a twist more user interface. So you twist it once, you get the low. As you can see there, you twist it again. There you go. And you get a high. I think I need to charge the battery. The other thing is, if you need a charging port, a charging station for your 10180, your 10180 batteries, this also functions as that. So you get the 10180 battery, you put it in, and then you can charge it inside this guy, which is kind of crazy because there are very few battery chargers for the 10180 batteries, which is one of the reasons why I really, really like this guy. I'm trying to get it to hit high, but there we go. It's supposed to be high of 330 lumens. I don't know if it's hitting that high, but the last kit I have is my current favorite everyday carry fixed blade. This is the Wegner Aphid. It has a zero grind. This is the most insanely sharp blade I have ever seen. It is like a pocket scalpel. it is just crazy sharp. Wagner gets his stuff super duper sharp. Really nice small light. It needed a little bit of an extension to give it a full hand grip. And so what I did was I took a locking S-spinner, which is currently not locked, and I put my Veleno Designs, what is it? It's the Quantum D2 prototype. I think it's the 38DD, and it is currently without a battery because I used the snot out of the other 1080 battery, the 10180 battery that came with it. The idea behind all of these is that they give you a ton of functionality in one small space. This idea of pairing these things up came from Spydercollector, who does the same thing, except he uses the LRI photons and a Spyderco, or the LRI photons and a Swiss Army knife. And I think that that's a really great idea. I just wanted something a little different because I wasn't a huge fan of the LRIs. And I like this light, and I like this light a lot. If you could get it, I'd probably recommend this light over both of them, but you can no longer get it. This light is good, and it's reliable, but it's just, I mean, the output is great, but it does hot pocket. This light is obviously superior. It's got a great tint. It's easy to turn on and off. If you want something that just always works, this is it. This is like the RAAP, if you remember that light. It's a great little light. All of these kits are really easy to use, and I love them. So, take a look at these, see if you get any ideas, and comment down below.